Good morning, students. We are on chapter number 2, Accounting for Debentures. This lecture we are going to solve sum number 22. Let us see the sum first. Nupur Limited, not that, 22. Hitachi Limited issued 10,000 11% debentures of rupees 200 each on April 1, 2014 at a premium of 6% on which is redeemable at premium of 10% on March 31, 2020. So friends, debentures are issued at premium and redeemable at premium. We know for this we pass two entries: bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account, and second entry debenture application and allotment account debit, loss on redemption of debentures account debit to debentures account to security premium reserve account to premium on redemption of debentures account. Right? What else? According to provision of Companies Act, the required investment was made in 7% Gujarat state government unencumbered security on April 30 of financial year in which redemption is due. For the redemption of debenture, the provision for money is to be made out of capital. Friend, this is important, that provision is to be made out of capital. Debentures were redeemed on the due date. Past entries for the issue and redemption of debentures also prepare a debenture redemption investment account and debenture redemption reserve account. So friends, debentures are redeemed on 31st March 2020. That time, as they are redeemed at premium, so we will pass entry debentures account debit, premium on redemption of debentures account debit to debenture holders account and debenture holders account debit to bank account. What else? It is given that investment made according to rule of company, that is according to provision of Companies Act, in 7% government securities. That means friend, here we know that Act says 15% minimum investment is needed. So this investment will be made on 30th April of 2019, right? Because debentures are due to be redeemed on 31st March 2020. So in that year, before or on 30th April 2000, on that year, that is 2019, we will have to invest 15% of the amount, right, in 7% security, and on the day of redemption the security will be sold off. Moreover, we need to create DRR, that is debenture redemption reserve. How much? As it is that redemption is out of capital, that provision is out of capital. We know when the provision is out of capital, then time 25% reserve of face value of debenture issued we need to create. Okay, so we will pass entry for that also, and finally the payment will be done to the debenture holders. Okay, so let us see entries one by one. First of all, two entries for issue of debentures. Sum number 22, journal entries in the books of Hitachi Limited. First entry, bank account debit to 11% debenture application and allotment account. Friends, 10,000 debentures are issued at a price of 200 plus 200 plus 12. 12 is premium. Premium is 6% of face value. Face value is 200. So 200 into 6%, 12 rupees. So we will receive 21,20,000 at the time of issue. That means that with the application we will get 21,20,000. 10,000 into 212. Second entry, we will pass to transfer this amount to the debentures account and security premium reserve account. So second entry, 11% debenture application and allotment account debit to 11% debentures account to security premium account. Debenture application and allotment account debit 21 lakh 20,000 to 11% debentures account 20 lakh to security premium 1 lakh 20,000. Moreover, here we will, as the debentures are to be redeemed at premium, we will credit that premium on redemption of debentures account, and the same amount will be debited to loss on issue of debenture account. So loss on issue of debentures account debit to premium on redemption of debentures account 2 lakh, being money received with application transferred to debentures account and security premium reserve account also gave the effect of premium on redemption. Okay friends, so these are two entry. Now what we will do, we have to redeem debentures on 31st/3/2020, but before redeeming that, on the date 30th April 2019, we will have to make 15% investment, right, in 7% government security, 15% of nominal value. Friends, here nominal value of debentures is 20 lakh. Okay, 10,000 into 200. So 15% of 20 lakh will be 3 lakh. 3 lakh rupees will be invested in 7% government securities. So 7% debenture redemption investment account debit to bank account 3 lakh, being made investment in 7% government security of 15% of nominal value, that is 15% of rupees 20 lakh. Okay friends, now on the day of redemption, that is on 31st March 2020, the debenture, so first of all we will sold out the debenture redemption investment. Now friends, as the investment are done on 30/4/2019 and it is sold out on 31st/3/2020, that is after 11 months. So 11 months interest will be calculated on the investment amount is rupees 3 lakh. So 3 lakh into 7% into 11 upon 12, 3 lakh into 7% into 11 upon 12, it will give us 19,250. So friends, these debentures will be sold off, these debenture redemption investment will be sold off and amount will realize along with interest of 11 months, which comes 19,250, and total amount will be 3,19,250. So this is the entry for that. Bank account debit 3,19,250 to debenture redemption investment account 3 lakh to interest earned account 19,250, being debenture redemption investment sold off and interest earned. Friends, once again the calculation of interest will be 3 lakh into 7% into 11 upon 12, because 11 months interest we have to calculate. Now friends, on the day of redemption, first of all, before redeeming debentures, we need to create DRR, that is debenture redemption reserve, as the provision is out of capital. 25% reserve is to be created of face value. So face value is 20 lakh, 25% of that will be 5 lakh. So 5 lakh reserve we have to create. So here it is, statement in profit and loss account debit to debenture redemption reserve account 5 lakh, being transfer of profit equal to 25% of nominal value of debenture issued to DRR account. Okay, so required formalities are done. Now we are capable of redeeming debentures, so we will pass entry for redeeming that. Debentures are redeemed at premium, so debentures account will be debited, premium on redemption of debentures account will be debited, and debenture holders account will be credited. So here it is, premium 11% debentures account debited, premium on redemption of debentures account debited to debenture holders account, being amount due for redemption on debenture. This entry will be on 31st March 2020, that is on the day of redemption. So 22 lakh rupees will be credited to debenture holders account, and then finally payment will be made to debenture holders. So debenture holders account debit to bank account 22 lakh being due amount paid to debenture holders. Okay friends, so this is all about this sum. Here the reserve which was created, debenture redemption reserve, as the redemption procedure has over, this amount, this reserve will be transferred to general reserve. So next entry to transfer the debenture redemption reserve to general reserve, here it is: debenture redemption reserve account debit to general reserve account 5 lakh being after redemption of debentures, amount of debenture redemption reserve transfer to general reserve account. And finally, the friends, with the interest which we earn on investment, as it is an income, will be transferred to statement of profit and loss account. So here it is: interest earn account debit to statement of profit and loss account 19250, as this was the amount of interest which we earn, being interest earned on DRI transfer to statement of profit and loss account. So these total 9 entries we have to pass for this sum. Okay friends, now finally we will be making, as the requirement of sum is to prepare debenture redemption investment account and debenture redemption reserve account also. So we will prepare debenture redemption reserve and debenture redemption investment account. First of all, see debenture redemption investment account. Friends, first of all, on 30/4/2019 investment was made. When we pass the entry debenture redemption investment account debit to bank account 3 lakh, so here the posting will be done to bank account at the debit side of debenture redemption investment. How much? 3 lakh. Now this on 31/3/2020 it is sold off, so bank account debited and debenture redemption investment account is credited with rupees 3 lakh. So at the credit side on 31/3/2020, credit side of debenture redemption investment by bank account 3 lakh. So here our debenture redemption investment account gets closed. Okay, another entry of 19,250 will be done at the credit side of interest on account, which we are not making here. Okay, and finally we will make debenture redemption reserve account. Friends, when we created debenture redemption reserve, we have debited surplus in statement of profit and loss account. So here in debenture redemption reserve account at the credit side on 31/3/2020 by surplus in statement of profit and loss account 5 lakh, and the same amount will be transferred to general reserve. So we passed entry debenture redemption reserve account debit to general reserve account. So here at the debit side of debenture redemption reserve account to general reserve account 5 lakh, and this account also gets tallied. Okay friends, so this is how we have to solve sum number 22. Next lecture we will be doing next sum. Thank you.